Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover abandoned carts with ClickFunnels step by step clearly. To recover abandoned carts with ClickFunnels, start by logging into your ClickFunnels account. Navigate to your sales funnel where you want to implement the cart recovery process. Select the funnel step that includes the checkout page. Click on the Settings tab within that step. Scroll down and find the Email Reminder options. Enable the Abandoned Cart Reminder Emails feature. Customize the email content to encourage customers to complete their purchase. Make sure to include a clear call to action linking back to the checkout page. Set up a time delay for the first email reminder. Consider scheduling additional follow-up emails to increase chances of conversion. Next, head over to the Integrations tab. Connect your email service provider if you haven't already. This ensures that your reminder emails will be sent to potential customers. Test your email setup by simulating an abandoned cart. Add items to your cart and leave the checkout process incomplete. Monitor your inbox to ensure the abandoned cart email is received. Evaluate the email's effectiveness by tracking click-through rates. Make adjustments to your email content based on performance metrics. Always ensure your emails are mobile-friendly. Consider offering incentives, like discounts or free shipping, in your reminders. Review and refine your abandoned cart strategy regularly for better results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.